The James Webb Space Telescope has been pulling back the curtain on some of the deepest secrets of the cosmos, revealing galaxies older than we ever believed possible, and uncovering structures that seem to bend the very laws of physics. But now it has seen something beyond explanation at the very edge of the observable universe. Webb has captured an object that has left scientists completely stunned. It's unusually bright, oddly structured, and unlike anything we've ever encountered. Some astronomers suspect it could be an entirely new type of distant galaxy, but others propose something far more unsettling: an object so strange it could shake the foundations of what we know about space, time, and reality itself. And that's just the beginning. Webb has also detected puzzling irregularities in the expansion of the universe, observations that don't align with the Big Bang model, and colossal cosmic structures that may hint at the existence of alternate dimensions or even other universes entirely. So, what exactly did Webb discover? Why are some scientists calling it a crisis in cosmology? And could this be the first evidence of something beyond our known universe? Let's explore the details of this mind-bending revelation. Music fades in when Webb captured its latest deep-field image. Astronomers expected to find the usual, faint, ancient galaxies barely visible at the limits of the known universe. Instead, they saw something entirely unexpected, an object so bright, so distant, that it shouldn't even be visible, according to current astrophysical models. Light from such an ancient object should be stretched and dimmed by the expansion of the universe over billions of years, yet this mysterious body remains intensely luminous. If untouched by time, even more puzzling is its structure. While early galaxies are typically small, chaotic, and irregular, this object appears massive, stable, and highly organized, though it had already undergone billions of years of evolution. Despite existing only a few hundred million years after the Big Bang, some scientists suggest this could represent an entirely new class of cosmic structure, something never before classified. But others believe the implications are even more profound. This might be evidence that our understanding of the universe's origins is fundamentally flawed. If this object is what it appears to be, then the standard cosmological model, the very framework we've used to understand space and time, may be incomplete, or possibly completely wrong. And this may only be the start. With every new image, every unexpected reading, the James Webb Space Telescope is not just looking deeper into the universe. It's looking into the unknown. For decades, the Big Bang theory has stood as the dominant explanation for the origin of the universe. According to this model, everything began with a singularity, an unimaginably dense point that expanded rapidly, giving birth to space, time, galaxies, stars, and planets. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope has uncovered something that challenges that foundation. Among its most startling discoveries are enormous, well-formed spiral galaxies appearing in a time when the universe was supposedly still in its infancy. Too young to host such mature structures by our current models, galaxies like these should take billions of years to evolve. Yet Webb is capturing them almost immediately after the supposed beginning. This raises a profound and unsettling question. What if the universe is far older than we've believed? Or worse, what if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning at all? Nobel Prize-winning physicist David Gross recently warned that these aren't just outliers, they represent a potential crisis in our understanding of the cosmos. Because, while some galaxies behave exactly as predicted, others seem to ignore the rules entirely. Something strange is happening. Are we witnessing the remnants of a cosmic event older than the Big Bang? Or could these be signs of a parallel universe leaking into our own? As scientists continue to probe Webb's data, they're being forced to revisit ideas once dismissed as science fiction, and the deeper they look, the more it seems the universe may be hiding truths we're only just beginning to imagine. One of the most astonishing discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope is the detection of objects that defy all expectations, luminous structures that don't resemble any known galaxy. These strange formations were abundant in the first few 100 million years after the Big Bang, and then, without explanation, they vanished. No one knows what they are, how they formed, or why they seem to have disappeared from the observable universe. Some scientists speculate They could represent a completely unknown form of dark matter. Or dark energy, a type of cosmic substance that existed only during the earliest moments of the universe's creation. But other, more radical theories suggest something even more unsettling, that these objects may not originate from our universe at all. The concept of extra dimensions and parallel realities has long been explored in theoretical physics. But never before have we had observational evidence hinting at something beyond the limits of our cosmic horizon. Could these be residual echoes of another universe, something that existed before ours was born? Or more chilling still, could they still exist just outside the reach of what we're able to detect? If that's true, then Webb may have just captured the first glimpse of something beyond reality as we know it.